A stealth bomber is basically an advanced military aircraft designed to penetrate enemy air defenses undetected and deliver powerful strikes. The most famous examples include the B-2 Spirit from the United States and Russia's upcoming PAK-DA. These aircraft combine radar-evading designs, advanced materials, and strategic capabilities to perform deep strike missions in hostile territory. Can India develop a stealth bomber? Technically, yes, but practically it would be a long-term and resource-intensive challenge. India's Defense Research Agency, DRDO, or Defense Research and Development Organization, is already working on stealth and unmanned technologies. However, a full-scale stealth bomber requires, first, advanced aerospace technology, mastery over radar-absorbent materials, flying wing designs, and composite structures. Second, high-end propulsion systems, engines capable of sustaining long-range missions with low radar signature. Third, strategic payload capability, the ability to carry nuclear and precision-guided munitions across continents. India has made major strides in aerospace and defense, but developing a stealth bomber independently would take at least a decade, with significant collaboration, funding, and testing. Does India need a stealth bomber? This is honestly a more strategic question. India's current defense doctrine focuses on regional threats, primarily from China and Pakistan. It maintains a no-first-use nuclear policy, relies on land and sea-based nuclear deterrence, and focuses on air superiority and precision strikes via fighter jets like the Rafale and Su-30 Mki. However, as geopolitical dynamics shift and China builds its own stealth bomber, the H-20, the need for a strategic, long-range stealth strike capability might become relevant. A stealth bomber can deter distant threats, for example naval bases in the South China Sea or Western Pacific. It can provide second-strike nuclear capability from the air, complementing land and sea triads. And it can be used in surgical deep penetration strikes without early warning to adversaries. In conclusion, India can develop a stealth bomber in the long term, given its growing tech capabilities and defense ambitions. Whether it actually needs one depends on its evolving geopolitical role. As India aims for great power status and faces growing Chinese influence, a stealth bomber might become a valuable tool for strategic deterrence and power projection. But for now, the focus is likely to remain on multi-role fighters, unmanned systems, and missile defense, areas where India is making strong progress. If you found this video insightful, hit the like button and subscribe, and well, see you in the next video.